Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and another unboxing, and just a small one and a larger one. Let's just go into this. Scissors will do the job there. Okay, I got an extra piece than what I bought, so that's nice. The seller has thrown in a freebie, so that there is the freebie, the clean razor blade. Time for some glasses. WR Swan & Co, Penswork, Sheffield, made in England. A 40-hour week product for every 3 peg holder. Not quite sure what that's all about. Let's see if we can open it up. Let's have a look at this blade. Oh, we have a bit of rust, people. So this is obviously quite an old blade, and you can feel just by touching it how much thicker they are to the modern razor blade. Well, there we go. This is what I bought. So apparently these are rare. I don't know how rare, but I do know they don't come up on eBay very often, or Etsy. So these were made in the later part of the 1930s, and they were stainless steel, and then for whatever reason Gillette dropped them and didn't come back to stainless steel for, well, maybe 20 years later or more. And there was another blade they made, Chronoman or some type of word like that, that was released in the early 30s and didn't take off and were dropped. Ah man, these are sealed. Like sealed. Do I go there, people? Do I open it up? I am. I want to know. Pack of 10. 2 and 6 the price. I bought these in Australia, so I don't know if they were sold in Australia. 2 and 6. Sounds Australian. Let's have a look. Stainless Gillette blade, made in England. You can see the edge on it. Let me see if I can bring that up for you. So, would you shave with it? Carefully turn it over. A Gillette Diamond and Arrow. There's a bit of rust. blade, that leading edge. Anyway, interesting. So this was sent to me from Italy. Okay, so I made a nest. Very interesting. And inside the nest, a cylinder. Soldo Stop by Bingo. Now cling wrap. What a great invention that's been. What a money spinner for the people who invented it. Okily dokily. Let me just clean that up. So more cling wrap. So as you can see, it's a razor. And not just an everyday razor that I found out. What I'm going to do is just pause the screen, film, and just go to the Mr. Razor website. Okay, I am back. Let's just open this up. Let me bring this down a bit. This is a rocket, and it's a gold rocket. Anniversary set number 52A. And this is an anodized gold finish. And it's all made of aluminium, so it's very light. It was also known as a paperclip because they were so light. And this is very light. Now the seller reckons that there was only 100 or so of these made. Now I don't know how factual that is, but this is the first one I've ever, in the 12 or so months I've been down the Wombat Burrow of collecting razors. I can't say I remember seeing one of these. It's actually a beautiful looking gold colour. That yellow gold, sort of gold you see in the Middle East and India. But apparently the gold rubbed off very quickly. Feels nice, eh? Let's put that down. Now, what have we got here? It's got the Directions for Use Aristocrat Junior. This may be original with it, but I tend to doubt it, but that's okay. And the blade bank, which is empty sadly, but that's still alright. Helps with the provenance of it, the razor. Let's have a look inside. Might be able to clean that up a bit. Shouldn't be too hard. So there it is. a 1951 Rocket Light Gold Anniversary Set, number 52A, finished in anodized gold over aluminium, 29 grams. So probably one of the lightest, if not the lightest, Gillette razor that was ever made. Okay, hope you enjoyed it, and we will catch up with you soon. Okay, take care and ciao for now.